See how I'm stretching the skin? See how I'm stretching to get it on? And I'm actually pressing the wax firmly, so you'll do exactly the same thing with the golds, and then it will shrink onto the hair. That's key. Then you can come back to this one. Okay, so have a look. I've got most. Yeah, you can see the tiny hairs, but there will be hairs still there on.
Yeah.
Very, very slightly.
Oh, wait,
So then you can take your overlay and stretch again, and we're going to go back. Okay, so again, see the teeny weeny ones? Yeah, because I've stretched the skin to do the application. I've pressed the wax in,